Hello, in this video, I would like to show you how to upgrade this 5.47-inch LCD screen from CCFL to our LSR series LED kit. Our LED kit for this 5.7-inch displays including the LSR LED strips, our newest LED drive, and then one wire connector. Red is representing the positive, black is negative. So this end can connect to either end, that's fine. Okay, so basically you just remove this one, or take a look at the screen first. Make sure you can tint it. Yeah. So KCS057QV1AJ-G23. It's made by KCS057. So remove the lamp is quite easy. You can see clearly there's a screw that holding the assembly. So what we need to do is just unscrew it. There's an arrow, show it to you. You push this way, then you can. There we go. You take it out, right? Look at the lamp. It's really bad. Okay, so basically it's really easy. You peel off this one. I'm not going to install this, but I just want to show you how. You peel off this double side tip on this end, right? Then you mount it back. So the way is you're going to try to mount it as close as to the plexiglass, so that way you get maximum brightness. So it's like this. Perfect. You stick to it, and then you just add a piece of tape to secure the wire. You're ready to go. See how easy it is? And then this one, you just connect to, again, any of the 12 volt or 24 volt positive to the red, negative or ground to the black. That's it. Thank you for watching.